Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have an amazing unboxing for you guys from ClipperModels here. I'm so excited to get this going here today, and also, I didn't realize, but my birthday is today, as of recording of this video, August 16th, 2025, is also National Model Aviation Day, so that's pretty cool, guys. So, Model Airport Nation's birthday is Model Aviation Day, so pretty cool. Shout out to ClipperModels for these amazing products here. We have the hotel. We have 3 different hotel versions. I did the Hilton modernized version, and I believe we have the new construction GSE set with the crane. So really excited to get this open. Let's go ahead and take a look. Appreciate you guys joining me today. Let's check out. This is a birthday edition video. All right, let's start off with the construction set. Double unboxing here today. ClipperModels here, guys. Go check them out. Amazing services. They do custom work as well. Highly recommend them. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Now, guys, I'm pretty dramatic, but this is super cool. Look at this. I never thought we'd have this in 1 to 400 scale aviation ever. This is so cool. ClipperModels is definitely changing the aircraft or the 1 to 400 scale game. Oh yes, these are super cool. So we'll be able to use all these like any airports that has construction going on. Of course, LAX always has construction as well. Wow, super cool. All right, and looks like we now have the crane here. If I can get this out of the package here. Whoa, I've never had like a 1 to 400 scale crane ever. So this is definitely, guys, this is a unique video on the channel here. One that you may not see too often. Really delicate, really cool. Obviously want to make sure that we take best care of this. Give me 1 second while I unbox it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. And you guessed it, this thing does move along. So if you need to adjust whatever you're trying to pick up, it goes all the way up and down. Just like the real thing. Look at this, guys. I mean, you could even put like a little character on here, you know, walking around if you wanted to, which I probably will. But super cool. Look at this. As well as the GSE here, guys. I mean, like, let's just be real here, okay? Let's say, okay, I've got the T-bit coming here, a different part of it. Look at that. Super cool. Excuse the aircraft here, guys. This RC airplane. I'm moving a lot of stuff around right now, so. But this, wow. Speechless, guys. Speechless. Go check it out. ClipperModels.com, guys. Link in bio. All right, guys, and next up we have the Hilton Hotel here. We have the Clipper base plate here. Check that out, guys. Super cool. Let's get it unboxed. All right, everybody. Here is the base plate here. As you can see, space for the hotel exactly. Parking, drop-off, arrival, checkout, as well as the pool. So super cool. Definitely a lot of potential for what can happen in the future here with ClipperModels. Now let's go ahead and unbox our new Hilton Hotel here. I did check out the hotel first here just to see it because I was so excited, but I didn't take the base plate out yet though. So this is all very new. Holy cow. New modernized Hilton, you know, quick stay in, quick stay at checkout hotel type thing. Look at this. And they also come available in, I believe, Marriott and Westin as well. I don't know if they're the different designs. I think they're all the same, they're just the different branding on it, but I think I'm gonna get like 2 more of these things just because you can make like your own little like hotel area. Also, you have this nice walkway behind here too by the pool area. Look at that. It's these little details that mean a lot to me as a collector here. Super. All right, everybody. We also do have vehicles here from ClipperModels. Hotel shuttle as well. And we have the awnings here. So let's go ahead and get this out on the hotel layout here. All right, guys, here it is all together here. We have the awning in the front here with the shuttle bus and some cars here. Just take a look. Super detailed here. Highly recommend this for any of your model airports, guys, because this just adds real-life touches. Sorry about the thunder in the background, guys. Storm coming over here in Florida. Hilton on the front here. And let me get a zoom out here. You also have like your little grilling area that most of these hotels have, and a walkway to the pool. So, super cool, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this hotel here as much as I do. Can't wait to get this on my layout. It does represent like a modernized, you know, smaller airport hotel. So I'm glad I can have these two more realistic layouts here. You know, I know there's not too many of these, like, you know, more by like LAX airport and stuff, but you know, can definitely use these at Denver, because I know there's an exit where there's a bunch of these modern hotels. You know, or if you just have a airport you just want to put these on, like a fictional airport, you can totally do that too. I know eventually we'll probably do a fictional airport as well, but just for now, this does, like, you know, most airports do have these modern ones by it, so it is really realistic. That's a tongue twister, but you guys know what's up. And again, recapping here today, we have the amazing Hilton here, as well as the construction set here. Super cool. Adds a lot of realism. Also, if you guys wanted to see some of these compared to like the 1 to 400 scale hotel with the cars, just so you can see what they look like next to each other here. You know, here's a good representation of the construction equipment that ClipperModels offers. Super detailed here. They have so many different vehicles too, like not even the ones I have here. Like there's so many more. Lots to choose from. So you're definitely not out of options from ClipperModels. And also here is a shot of the crane with the construction equipment working here. Again, ClipperModels offers a ton of different construction equipment. So if you're building a model airport and you want to show more additions, like I am adding more of the T-bit head house here soon. So that's in the works right now. So it is under construction here, so as you guys can see. So super cool. Also seen here is the train station here at LAX International Airport, built for me by ClipperModels as well as these parking garages too. Parking garages are in half right now just because I'm trying to make a realistic element until I do get these specific garages I have in real life to look at this specific section at LAX Airport. Those will be coming very soon, so stay tuned. But yeah, they do a lot of great 3D work as well. And I will also, since we have it in here, I will shout out Tarmac Designs with the amazing terminal here too for the T-bit. So great work, Andy, as well. We all work together to make amazing, airport terminals and GSE that all go together, that just make amazing airports. So by working all together here, we can make airport dreams come true. That's for sure. And also No Point Airport for this amazing layout here, guys. Check it out. LAX Tom Bradley International Airport here, guys. I want to thank you guys again for joining me today. ClipperModels with the amazing 1 to 400 scale Hilton Hotel here, as you guys can see, as well as the construction equipment seen here. This definitely adds a real life element to the airport, and whichever airport you guys are making. There's just so much to offer. Like, see, I even have like the bulldozers and everything over here too. So there's just so much to choose from on the website. Again, link in the bio, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting. From Model Airport Nation to you guys, have a great day or night, wherever you guys are.